Right, okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace I've got a Stihl Kombi unit. I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel tank. So first thing we're going to do is pour the fuel out. Then what we're going to do is take off the fuel filter. And I think this needs replacing at some point too. That's minging, so I'm going to give that a little clean as well. And a magnetic bore is handy as well. So you just pop them in there, nice and easy. So just prise it off like that, pop this to one side. And now you're left with that. So what you do is either take a picture or just take a mental note of which tube goes where. So then what we're going to do next is take the pull cord, the pull start off, and that will allow us to get the fuel tank off. And now all you have to do is just gently wiggle it and pull it away. And if any of these, I don't know what you call them, they're like little rubber, they'll have a name, rubber stopper things. You want to take it off the old fuel tank and just pop it back into where it's come from. So now once you've got that off, it's just a case of fitting the old one on. And push it on quite tight and just basically reverse the steps. And a good way of just giving this, I mean I could buy a new one here, but I'll just give it a little clean before I put it back in. So I've got like an old brush that's gone hard. Perfect for just getting in between the flaps. And the last bit, if you haven't got a new fuel filter, you want to get the old one out, so you're going to have to get some sort of wire that bends, and it's a bit fiddly, but if you just mess on for a couple of minutes you'll be able to get it out. Okay, so you should be left with something like this. You've obviously got the old the setup and your old fuel filter. You got the tube coming out of your new one, and it's just a case of switching them around. As I say, probably better off getting a new filter, a couple of filters, but these are alright. Make sure it's all on tight and then just put it back in and push it right down. There's a little stopper that you'll see, so push it beyond that and that should be it. Right, that's the end. Hopefully you found it useful. If you got this far, hit subscribe and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.